First question, what is status? Why it is showing in open? Why it is showing in cleared? Those who is having already knowledge on this, like before starting this course, please don't answer. So those who started course SAP recently, with this batch, so they can answer this question. What is the purpose of this? Why it is coming like this?
Green color status shows a successful posted document, whereas red status indicates an incomplete or unposted document.
Same. Same thing. Okay. Okay. Your voice is a bit low, ma. Could you please?
Sir, this is Usha.
Yeah, Usha, go on.
Sir, red is for unpaid liability and the tick mark is for completed payment.
Correct. Okay. Correct. Any other?
Same
Any
one,
other?
sir. Same
Same,
one,
right?
sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Rent
So
provision was not paid on the date of creation. Rent was paid. That was all total cleared. That's why it was in green color.
okay, fine. But how SAP understand? But my question here, what you said is agreed. But my question, how SAP will understand this is a, for this account you have to, it should come like this, and for this account it should come like this.
So because
Posted
we are posted in open item management.
That is the answer. Open item management is the answer. Okay. So while creating a GL account, I told you this open item management checkbox. Because of the open item management checkbox, we are getting that option. Because of open item management checkbox, we are getting this option. Because the rent account is not open item management, it's a normal account, so it is directly posting to the books. Okay. So why means because of open item management you have to answer.